You have an L4, L5 disc bulge or an L5S1 disc bulge that's symptomatic either with low back pain, buttock pain, thigh pain, or even leg pain, and you're wondering and asking, is heat good for a bulging disc? This question answered in this video.
Helping you relieve pain, conquer stress, and supercharge your health the chiropractic way.
Hi there everyone, it's Dr. Walter Slubro here, and in this video I'm going to answer the commonly asked question, is heat good when you have a bulging disc? So it's a very good question to ask, and people sometimes get confused about when to use heat and when to use ice. Now when it comes to a disc problem, if it's an acute inflamed disc, something that just immediately got injured or it got immediately flared up and it's really sore and painful and there's acute inflammation, I would not recommend heat in that situation. No heating pad, no heat in that situation. In fact, I wouldn't even suggest ice. You want to just let the inflammatory process proceed in those first 3 days because it promotes a lot of healing. Even though it's uncomfortable and it's painful, it promotes healing. Inflammatory process, yes, it causes pain and it's uncomfortable and limited function and swelling and a lot of heat in that area, naturally because of the blood flow rushing to the injured tissues. You want and you need that natural inflammatory process to proceed. After the acute phase, when the disc injury is not as inflamed as it is in the first few days for an immediate flare-up or a new injury, then at that point you may want to consider heat. Again, you can try heat for 5 or 10 minutes and see how it feels. Now, however, a lot of people that come to my office typically have had complaints or symptoms related to L4, L5 disc bulge or L5S1 disc bulge and local back pain or buttock pain, and they've had this chronic pain for many, many months and even years. At that point, for sure, heat would be indicated because heat is very comforting, relaxes muscles, it gets blood flow to the area and brings fresh blood and oxygen and nutrients to the area, and it can also be very, very soothing. So I would recommend heat in that situation for a chronic disc condition, more than 6 months, years, to provide some comfort and get through the discomfort while you're at home. Hope that clarified if heat is good for a disc bulge, and thank you for watching. Always remember to subscribe to the channel so you get new, fresh video content on a weekly basis on how to relieve chronic pain and strategy and tips that I give, even exercise demonstrations, and also how chiropractic can help with chronic pain conditions. Dr. Walter Slubro here, and I'll catch you in the next video.
To learn more about how corrective chiropractic care at Back to Health Chiropractic Center can help you with your chronic pain problem, visit www.ibthcc.com. Back to Health Chiropractic Center is located at 20 Cranston Park Avenue, number 6, Vaughan, Ontario, L6A2W2.